This tutorial will show you how to add lines into your vehicle inspection templates. First, we need to open up the Inspection Designer program. To do this, open the PDspect icon and then click on Create Edit Inspection Forms in the lower left corner. Once the program is open, we need to open up the template that we'll be making changes to. To do this, we're going to click on Open, and we'll be modifying the Detailed Vehicle Inspection template. So we'll highlight it, and then we'll click on OK. We're now looking at the main Inspection Designer screen with our template open. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to add in a new line. Let's say that we wanted to add in a new line to the body category called New Inspection Item. To do this, we're going to click on the body category. And there are two different ways to add in a line. The first way is to find a line that works the way you want the new line to work, copy it, paste it, and then rename the new one to reflect the new line's name. You can do this process either in the work area here at the top, or you can do it down here in the preview area at the bottom. Let's take a look at this method using the work area. The line we want to add in is going to work just like the hood line. So let's go ahead and right-click on the circle that's to the left of the hood line, and we're going to click on Copy. Now, we want to right-click on the circle to the left of the line that we want this newly added in line to be entered above. So let's say we want this line to be right above right front door. So we're going to right-click on right front door, and now we're going to select Paste Line. As you can see, we now have the hood line twice. The last step is to rename it. We can do this by clicking on the text piece for hood on the line, and this pulls up the properties. Here, all we need to do is type in the new line's name. So let's go ahead and call this New Inspection Item. Once you're finished giving the new line a name, click on OK, and we've now added in a new line for New Inspection Item that works the exact same way as all the other lines. That's the first way to add in a new line. Now let's take a look at the second way. The second way to add in a line is to add in a new blank line and then build the line piece by piece. To do this, we're going to click on the option for Add a New Line on our toolbar. When we click on it, it pulls up the line properties, and we don't need to change any of these right now. So we're going to click on OK. And now in our work area, you'll see we have a new line in with nothing on it. Now what we need to do is add in the individual pieces that we want on it. We have several different piece types to choose from, such as a rating, a question answer, a note. You can add in a text piece, checkboxes, as well as option lists. And you have more options if you go up to Add Elements. We're going to create this line to work like all the other lines, so we'll be adding in a rating, a text piece, and then a note. So first, we need to add in a rating. So with our line highlighted, we simply click on Rating. It's going to pull up the rating piece properties, and we don't need to change any of these. So we'll click on OK, and we'll now see our rating has been added in. Next, we need to add in a text piece. So we'll click on our text piece. And here, we do need to modify one of the properties because we need to give this text piece a name. We need to give it a prompt. So let's go ahead and call this Another New Item. And when you're finished, you click on OK. And finally, we need to add in a note. So we're going to click on our notes. We don't need to change any of the properties, and we'll click on OK. Our new line has now been added in, and it is complete, and it's going to work like the other lines. You can add in as many lines as you want and use different piece combinations. One important thing to note is that only certain line types will work on a PDspect app. If you do create a line with a piece combination that isn't supported on the app, when you send that template to the app, the line simply won't appear. Now, the final step to adding a new line is to save any changes that you made. To save changes, you can go to File and then Save. Or if you wanted to create a new template with these changes, you can click on Save As and give this new template a new name. This concludes the tutorial on adding lines into your vehicle inspection template.